guys, you're watching TF2 Crusher. Hello guys, GW here. Today we will be continuing our TF2 characters. So far we've done the Scout, and now it is time for the Soldier. Yep, time for the Soldier. So let's get started. Oh no, this Scout thought he could do it, but our good sentry here from Pingu, Pingu, I'm just gonna call it Penguin. I don't know. From our friend Penguin there's his red sentry. So let's see who else we got. Oh, come on. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh, I need my health. No. Give me health. Yes, got my health. Alright. Oh, you think you can just go over there and just hit my friend like that? Oh, he's trying to he hit me with my own bullet. Pyros, they can like reflect your own bullets off of you, from you. This health back here when it comes up. Oh no! I rocketed myself. Well, that sucks. Go ahead and go through the teleporter. See what's going on in here. Jump up. That's a spy. We got ourselves a spy. Nope, that's not a spy. No, you're at it again. Oh yeah, I just killed you. That's right. That's right. Oh, what did that? Oh no, my friend died because of you guys. No. Oh yeah, I just blew you the heck up. Let's run now. I don't like the way he looks at me. Oh yeah. Hurry, get the health back, bro. No? Okay then. We got our health back. Alright, let's do a surprise attack from up top. Keep hitting the wall. Nothing but wall. Oh god, my pyro friend just got obliterated. Oh, we all just died. Gosh. Let's try that one again, shall we? Alright. Let's go.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
Mission ends in 60 seconds. So will the video? No! God dang. You will all taste my wrath and fury. No, okay. Except you, Pyro. I feel your wrath. I feel it. I feel it, man. Can you feel me? Yes, you can. Taste some of this nail on a stick. No. He didn't want me to shove a nail up his face on a stick. Surprisingly, a lot of people like that. Why is this one different? I better get in my hiding spot. We're gonna fail. Oh wait, no, we're gonna win. Wow, about to hide because we win. 20 seconds. Yeah. Woohoo! Go us. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna go kill this scout over here. Scout. Oh. You killed an angel. How could you kill an angel? Why am I beating its face if it's an angel? Oh well. Woo! We win. Suckers. Kill myself now. Yay! Don't you love killing yourself? All that's left is my rocket launcher. I would feel pity, but I don't feel pity. I'm on the blue team now. That sucks. Boom! I'm gonna blow you guys out with my bazooka that comes out of my freaking... Looks like like I got it, like, I don't know. That's kind of weird. Oh, I got a penis growing out. It shoots rockets. God. I have to reload it. Come on, you want to take a whiz? Oh well. Well, I guess I'll just have to deal with this. This is like not normal, I tell you. This is so not normal. Okay. I see that heavy over there. He's like, give me sandwich. He's like, I want sandwich. Come on. If you want my body and you think I'm sexy, come on, baby, let me know. I see how it is. Oh, yeah, I see how it is. I see how it is. Oh yeah, we're gonna cap this point. Just cause of me. Oh yeah. Hey, no. Oh yeah. That crits rocket. Got him. Alright, let's go cap this point now. Oh yeah, I got that. Come on. Oh. You want some? Oh yeah. Get freaking crapped on. Yeah. Oh yeah. I just got wrecked. Alright guys, well that will do it for the soldier. Hope to see you guys later. I'm out of here. After I press F1. No, after I press F2.